Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you some of the different new vegetables that have grown in my farm around my home. As you can see, around everywhere is green and I love green spaces. I love food, I love vegetables. I have a lot of them here at my place. So I have this plant that I want to test this evening, and it's called pak choi, and this is loved mostly by Indians and also Chinese and Ugandans because I'm going to eat it. So I want to show you some of them and how I've grown them. They are very easy, and it's been like a month. This plant is ready, like the vegetable is ready to be eaten. So they really do not take long, and they really don't want you to have a lot of space. You can grow them anywhere and they grow. So I'm going to show you some of them are in the containers, others are in the open field, and it's really great. So like the video, share it with your friends, and let me show you. So this is pak choi, and it looks beautiful in the garden, in the pots. It looks really beautiful. So we haven't been spraying, but it is very okay and very safe. I'm going to eat and see how it really tastes. And also we have Chinese cabbage right now in the containers, and you see it looks really nice and really beautiful. We have also eggplants around, and they are also grown in pots in sacks. And we also tried to plant purple cabbage and pak choi, as you can see. And these plants grow amazingly in the pot, and they take really a short period of time to grow. So this is the plug, and as usual, I love collards. These ones have to be around no matter what. So sukuma wiki is also available, and they grow very fast. It's been like a month and everything is ready. Then we have spinach, and this is really beautiful and it is tasty. Those of you who eat spinach, you know what I mean. It's tasty, nutritious, and loaded with nutrients. And then we have this kale. Kale is also very beautiful and it is very tasty. It is in the same class as collards, but this one is more curly as you look at it in the screen. So plant it also, it's really beautiful. And we have bitterberries on the farm. As you can see, they have really put, and it's really amazing to grow things. You just grow at home and you grow, and basically you eat. And these ones take really somehow a long time to grow, but it's okay. They are growable now that there is rain. They are really nice. So this is an extension of the garden, and sacks also. Chinese cabbage. We have new pak choi, some of the purple cabbage. We have tomatoes. We have spinach. Everything is good. There we go, tomatoes. And this variety is really not that good, but this time it has dried. So these vegetables are very easy to grow. You can grow them around your home, in your backyard, in your garden, in your compound, and you have fresh vegetables. So subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and you will learn a lot about agriculture. Thank you so much for watching. I believe you found something helpful. That is so, consider subscribing, share it with your friends. Bye.